Samsung continues to be a powerhouse in the smartphone world, offering a diverse range of devices for every need and budget. But with so many options, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. To help you out, I've taken a deep dive into the top 5 Samsung phones of 2024 based on my own experience and expert reviews. So buckle up and get ready to find your perfect Samsung match. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The king of Android. The S23 Ultra is the undisputed king of Android phones. It boasts a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling through social media to gaming a buttery smooth experience. The 200-megapixels camera system is simply phenomenal, capturing stunningly detailed photos and videos in any lighting condition. And with the S Pen built in, unleashing your inner artist or taking notes with precision is a breeze. My experience. The S23 Ultra is a beast. The camera is incredible, capturing crisp photos even in low light. The battery life is fantastic, easily lasting a full day on a single charge. The S Pen is a game changer for productivity and creativity. However, the hefty price tag and large size might not be for everyone. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The future of smartphones. If you're looking for something truly innovative, the Z Fold 5 is the phone for you. This foldable marvel unfolds into a stunning 7.6-inch tablet perfect for multitasking, gaming, and watching movies. The under-display camera minimizes distractions, and the S Pen support adds another layer of versatility. My experience, the Z Fold 5 is a technological marvel. The folding mechanism is smooth and feels incredibly durable. The multitasking capabilities are unmatched, and the large display is perfect for immersive entertainment. However, the battery life could be better, and the bulky design might not be everyone's cup of tea. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A23 5G, the budget-friendly powerhouse. Don't let the price tag fool you. The A23 5G is a fantastic phone for the budget-conscious user. It offers a vibrant 6.5-inch AMOLED display, a surprisingly good camera system, and 5G connectivity for super-fast speeds. The long-lasting battery ensures you won't be scrambling for a charger throughout the day. My experience, the A23 5G is a steal for the price. The display is bright and colorful. The camera performs well in most situations, and the battery life is excellent. However, the performance isn't the snappiest, and the build quality feels a bit plasticky. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy S23, the compact powerhouse. For those who prefer a more compact phone, the S23 is the perfect choice. It packs the same powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor as its bigger siblings, but in a 6.4-inch form factor that's more comfortable to hold and use one-handed. The camera system is top-notch, and the 120Hz refresh rate display keeps everything smooth and responsive. My experience, the S23 is a great option for those who want a powerful phone without the bulk. It's comfortable to use, the camera is excellent, and the performance is top-notch. However, the battery life isn't as impressive as the Ultra or Z Fold 5, and the display isn't as large. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, the fan edition favorite. The S23 FE is a great option for those who want the latest flagship features without the premium price tag. It offers many of the same specs as the S23, including the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and a triple-lens camera system, but at a more affordable price. My experience, the S23 FE is a fantastic value for money. It delivers a flagship experience without breaking the bank. The camera is good, the performance is solid, and the battery life is decent. However, the design isn't as premium as the S23, and the display refresh rate is only 90 Hz.